I forgot just what my teeth looked like before. I think it's turned out phenomenal. Every time I go to the dentist, there's several things wrong with my teeth. I have to get fillings, I gotta get crowns redone. I've had several root canals in my life, and so I was constantly spending time, money, and energy on my teeth. My dad's partner came here to Gordon and had her entire mouth redone. And I saw that work, I saw how beautiful it looked, and said, this is the place I've got to go for a consultation. Everybody at Gordon Dental is phenomenal. Dr. Gordon himself is an artist of teeth, and he's got this attitude of just a normal guy, and that really calms me down every time I'm sitting in the dentist chair, as well as all of the entire rest of his staff, which are professional and on point. Once the procedure started, I spoke to the doctor, I spoke with the rest of the staff. They made it as comfortable as possible. They were focused on me and my teeth, and that was something I was really appreciative of. Dental implants improved my life tremendously. I feel more confident in my smile. People looking at my teeth, going to the coffee shop, talking to the barista and having her go, wow, your teeth are very nice, which has happened to me, is a significant improvement in my life. Anybody who's looking to get their cosmetic dentistry of any kind should at least consider a consultation with Gordon. Their work is second to none. I've seen not just in my own, but the people around me who've also used Gordon Dental. I would recommend Gordon Dental to anybody who's looking to improve their smile.